Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your PC or your computer volume or your laptop volume beyond 100%. If you're having a problem with your volume, when you switch to the highest level, it is still low. This video will help us how to solve that problem with ease. My name is Isaac and welcome to A Minute with AI. I have here some audio files, but if I play some of the files, I realize that their volume is too low even when it is set to a maximum of 100%. For instance, this audio, you can just get to listen to it. So I like this music to be much louder. If I go to my volume button here and check, I realize it is at 76%. Let me put it to 100%. Now let's listen in. Yes, that improves, but I still need it to be much louder beyond that. Now I'm using media player, and let's go and check the media player volume. And as you can see, it is still at 100% and there is nothing I can do about it. Now there is a way we can change this and get much quality volume and much higher volume beyond this. And this is using a trick in VLC media player. First, you'll need to install VLC media player. And if you already have it installed, all you need to do is to go and set it as a default media player. As you can see, media player is the default music player or video player on my computer. So I already have VLC installed and here it is. All I need to do is to go and make it a default media player. So download yours, and once you have downloaded it, go ahead and make it a default media player. So I'll go ahead and look for default apps. Here it is. Now if you go to music player, you can see media player is the default app. Go ahead and change this to VLC, and there it is. Also on video player, I'll wish to use VLC as the default media player. And now here we go. Now it's done. Let's go ahead and play our music file again. Now as you can see, VLC is the default media player. So if we double click on any file, it will automatically play with VLC. Now you realize there is no change in the volume, but we need to get a higher volume, much higher volume than this. Now there is a trick in VLC that we can use. If you head to the bottom corner, you can see the volume is at 100%, but you still have some allowance to increase it. Now go ahead and increase this volume. You can just tap on the volume bar to make it go beyond 100. Alternatively, pointing at this volume bar, you can scroll your wheel on the mouse to increase it or to reduce it. And now we can increase it up to 125%. Alternatively, go to audio here and then select increase volume. Now just check at the volume bar. Currently it is 100. Each time you click on increase volume, the volume increases. Now let's put it to a maximum of 125 and listen in. And now you can see the change is so huge and the music is much louder. It is even much better with video files. Here we can achieve maximum volume of up to 200%. Now let me open a video file here. Now let me play this video and we'll see how we can attain a maximum of 200% in volume increment.
In a quiet meadow beneath the vast blue sky, a young boy's gaze is drawn upward.
Now you realize the current volume is set at 100%. Now using your mouse scroll wheel up and down, you can increase or reduce the volume of this video. If I scroll the wheel forward, the volume increases and now it goes even beyond 125. And here we have attained a maximum volume of 200%, as you can see on your screen. Now let's listen in with a volume of 200%.
Quiet meadow beneath the vast blue sky, a young boy's gaze is drawn upward. His breath catches as a massive spaceship breaks through the clouds, descending slowly, its shadow swallowing.
The volume is twice louder than it was initially. So apart from the mouse scroll wheel, you can increase or reduce your video volume using the up arrow or the down arrow on your keyboard. Now, one thing you need to know is that this does not work on online-based files. It will only work on files that have been downloaded on your computer. So this will not apply to YouTube videos or other files that are on websites. But when you have downloaded it, you can power it beyond 100%. If you have any question or any contribution, let me know in the comment section, and kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.